Junior, you like your new chair? Uh-oh. It's comfortable, huh? I'm making you a video. Uh-oh, you dropped your book. Huh? It's in here in the living room on the rug. That's funny.
Turn the page to learn more.
You better be careful. Well, let me call you back. I was talking to Daddy. I thought you were going to fall down. You be careful. Where are you going?
Bye-bye. 2. A is for ant. 4. A, 5. C, 8. 5.
You love that chair, huh?
Turn the page
Oh, goodness.
to